Hi, my name is Ethan.
And my name's Dylan.
Welcome to Darwin's Newscast.
Episode 5.
The upcoming events this week are, in February 17th, we have President's Day, no school.
And we also have Random Act of Kindness Day.
Wednesday, February 19th is middle of the year class check-in from 3:15 to 4th grade. Learn about your child's math and reading scores and learn more about their classroom and what they're learning.
And February 20th, we have our 8th grade picture retakes.
And it's also National Love Your Pets Day.
February 21st, we have our parent meeting at 8:30 a.m. at the Modular building. Now, let's take a look at the habits.
Did you know that Martin Luther King was a scholar, a civil rights leader, and a preacher? But did you know that he was a transition person? What is a transition person, you might ask? A transition person is someone who takes negative into positive by being proactive.
Obama is a transition person because he made positive things happen in the United States. Despite the trouble, he was proactive.
These are the leaders of the week. I'm the leader of the week.
I'm the leader of the week.
I'm the leader of the week.
I am leader of the week.
I'm the leader of the week.
I'm leader of the week.
I am teacher of the week.
These are the shoutouts for this week. Habit 1, be proactive. A shout out to Mr. Review for being an awesome teacher.
Shout out to Ms. Maria Santino, hardworking person and always trying to help everyone.
Shout out to Francine Ibarra for making all the school videos.
To Ms. Maria for helping out with us.
Thank you for watching. See you